How to recover deleted zip files from PC or Android. So if you want to recover deleted zip files from your PC or your Android, then what you need to do is first, you need to go and install the software, which is iMyFilm debug for your Windows. Install the software and launch the debug on your system. After that, select the location where the zip files were located or where they were lost. After that, the debug will scan your lost files, wait for the scanning process to complete, and once the scanning process is completed, it will be displayed on your screen. Once the scanning process is complete, here on the left side, it will show you all of the recovered files in your appropriate categories. Now, to recover the files, you need to just simply go and select the file that you would like to recover. After selecting your files, go with recover, which will be on the bottom right. After that, you can save the files while data recovery software is an effective solution. But if this option doesn't work for you, then what you can do is just simply go back, and then you need to open up your control center. Click on the control panel or control center. And you need to go with category, which will be in the top right, and then go with the large icons. And here you will have an option of file history. You need to click on the file history option. After that, here on the left side, you will have an option of restore personal files. Click on it. After that, it will display the files available to be restored. So you just need to simply go and select the files that you wish to restore and then click on restore. And make sure that the file recovery feature of your Windows is turned on if you are using it. Or the third method is you can recover from the recycle bin. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.